G'day all, this is my 1988 Volvo 245 GL. I'm going to do a little cold start. Now, it's currently winter here in Australia. Now you might not expect that much, but still it's a bit cold here for it being my town. 5 degrees. I've had this thing for about a year now. Serves me great. Haven't driven that much, but oh well. Yeah, might sound like it's, or seems like it's only got 268,000. That's a lie. It's probably got 300,000 because it's broken. Now, let's give it a little start and see how she performs in 5 degrees in Australian weather. Yeah, she doesn't really like it, but oh well. Ignore the oil pressure light. That's just the sender all clogged up from it not being serviced that much. Oh well. Well, hopefully she serves me well for the next, I guess, 268,000 kilometers.